Of all the days you choose to talk to somebody, don't talk to me. Don't choose me. This is the day that the Lord has made. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to try contact lens. I'm so excited. I have never, in fact, I've always admired how they fix it. Today is my first time. I've watched tons of tutorials and hopefully I'll be able to do it. So this contact lens is called Young. I got it from J Lashes on Instagram. This is the site as well. So let's open it up and see. Hey, God, hold on. Y'all should give me all the time because I really need time. Okay. Okay. Hold on. What is this? Okay, this one says left and right. Let me try and then show it to you guys. It says left and right. So after I finished installing it or fixing it, I'll just put them inside to kind of save it, right? Isn't it right? Okay, and then we do have these two. So basically this is how they both look. Does it have a left and right? It should be so. Hold on, let me read. Okay, so the using period is 1 year. So each one contains one less 38% water and polymer immersed in saline. Yeah, saline is very, very good and safe for the eyes. But it doesn't state left and right on the label. Let me see. Hold on. I don't see any left or right on any of them. Should I does any of them go? Or is it that after I finish installing it, then I would save what I used here in the left and then what I used here in the right? Is that it? Okay, let's try. Hold on. So I've washed my hands very, very clean. My hands are very clean. I've washed and dried my hands to prevent any bacteria and foreign materials from entering my eyes. You understand? So I'm just gonna open it. Hey, hold on. Let me grab my mirror. Hey. I just splashed in my eyes like that. It's hard though. It's tight. Wow. I like how tight it is. And let us pray. Lord God, we dedicate this contact eye lens fixing into your hands, oh Lord. Please grant me success. Your child. But some people like Accra. Amen. If I'm able to do this, it's over for everybody. Hey, the water is a lot too. It's lying comfortably in the water. It's so beautiful. God, it contains water. I can't show it to you like this. Actually, let me direct the camera so that you can really, really see it well. So you see how it's it has a lot of water and it's very, very soft. I thought I was going to feel something hard. Alright, so let's try it out and see. So the videos I watched, most of them said place this finger here and then hold it and then use this finger to push it down. Has it stuck? No, it hasn't. Anna, why is it sticking onto my finger? Why is it not sticking onto my eyes? Hold on. What should I do? Because I'm not blinking as much, right? It's not. Hold on, because what is that? Hey, yeah. It has these tools inside the box, so maybe I should use this. But the ones I watched on YouTube, they all use their fingers, so maybe I should use this one, So this one is for removal and this one is for sticking. Okay, let me try. Let me use it to pick it up. And this one too, and also a card in him. Hey. It's not coming out, okay. So let's try it and see because So this is it. It's on it now. So let me try again. Yeah. Hey. or I should look down. Should I look down? Wait, let me try down and see. I'm snorting right now. Okay, now it's not working. Let's try again. So this time around, I've tried to put it on and to make it look like a dome. You get? Hey, after all these tutorials I've watched, I'm not understanding you guys. When you watch my tutorial, I make it look so easy because the videos I watch, they look so easy. Why can't I do this? Okay, calm down. Who are you, Juliana Amoateng? I can do this. Shush. I'm a child of God. I am fearless. I can do this. All right, let's go. Hey, why is it all sticking? Why? Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Let me watch Vera H video. Vera H has like contact lenses video. Let me watch one of them because why I can't do it.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, I've seen another simple tutorial on TikTok. Me, I'm going to use my fingers. That thing is not working for me. So I've seen another tutorial. So let me try that one. Apparently, I'm supposed to look at the side and then I'll place a contact lens on my cornea. Is it on? Why is it sticking on my hand? That's what I don't understand. Like, why is it sitting on my hand? Hey, hold on. The thing is, it's not sticking on my eye. Am I blinking? I'm not blinking much. I can do this. Come on, Jules. You see, it's not sticking on my eyes. Well, I should hold it like this. I don't understand. Why is it not sticking onto my eyes? Why? We go again. This is my big eye. See the plenty space on my cornea. It's not sticking onto it. Am I blinking? I'm not. Or I'm blinking. It's getting to annoy me right now because why? Come on, Jules. You can do this. Well, I should try this eye. What is that? What is it? Look at my eye. What contact lens I want to wear? What is that? Thank God the saline water is safe. Otherwise, by now, say come in here. I say, I can't. And you bowl you. Roll your burdens away. Roll your burdens away. For Jesus has promised to take them all. Roll your burdens away. Let me try this eye because why? Oh, I was almost there. You didn't see that? I was almost there. Let's try again. Ready for me. Why me, ready this way. Meow, moo. Says it, meow, moo. The thing is not doing. It's not doing. This one, is it me? Is it me or is it lens? Because it's not doing. Why? Because as soon as I touch my eyes, it's supposed to stick onto my eyes or because it's not dry. See how wet it is. It's not dry, cry. This one is not like it's dry. It's not doing. It's not, what should I do?
One eternity later.
I can't do it, though. Yeah. I wish I would try again. Okay, we'll try again. Because I've watched every tutorial on earth and I don't see what I'm doing wrong, apart from the fact that the thing is not sticking onto my eyes. Look at the big space on my cornea. Why is it not sticking on my eyes? Why? That is what I don't understand. Okay, we go again. Hold on. Let me adjust it well. What are you talking about? What are you saying? Don't play with me. Hey. Don't play with me. Okay? How did it work though? How did it work? I can see it clearly. Hold on. I can definitely feel there's something on my eye, not in a painful way, but it's like my pupil is trying to see through the lens. Like that's the experience I'm having now. Hold on. Now it's getting better. Okay, I can see my husband clearly. I can see myself in the mirror. Okay. I can look at the corner. Okay. Huh? Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Who is she? Okay, let's do the next one. I think I should pour the solution in this container, right? So this is my right eye. So let me just pour it here. All right. Whoop. I mean, katas. Then I'll do the next one. Hey! Don't play with me! How did it work though? Because. Hold on, let me open this one as well. It's so tight. Oh, I should open it from this side. Okay. Yeah, I should have opened it from this side. Alright. Hey, get like it. Okay. Hey, where's steady? Hey, where's steady? Hey, where's steady? Alright, so let's go. Have you forgotten how I did that now? Because it was a miracle. Hey, Jesus. Hold on. She's one young. Any grab her no. Come on for the. Now see this one too. This one I say me. I will not give up. This one that I succeeded. Sure. I should give up for what? For what? Give up for who? For what? Is it for a bar? Is it for Gary? Oh, please, come on now. Come on. Oh, it almost did. Where is it? So it fell, but I'm cleaning it with the saline water. Let's go. Come on. Don't play with me. Come on. Okay. Okay. This one is also trying to adjust. Okay, I'm gonna give you all the time. Hold on. Adjust yourself, honey. Let me give you all the time. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Hey, you know what did I just do? Hi, well, Dustin. Come on now. Come on. It's interesting how, like, I've just figured it out. I'll just raise my eyes and then I'll open that at Don't leave me. Okay. Let me adjust. This one is still trying to adjust. This one is completely fine. As you can see, my eyes are not red on this one. Or is it red? No, it's not. A little bit, just a little bit. But this one is still adjusted, just as this one adjusted. So let's give it all the time that it needs. Okay. Yep, it's finally adjusted. Okay. Hello. Are you talking to me, babe? Hey, boom shakala, boom shakala, boom shakala. I saw something, and it's blue. How does it look on me though? How does it look on me? Tell me, guys. If I tell me, do I look good? Me, if I tell me. Well, you don't know how to feel about it. You know how to feel about it. But I'm not saying he doesn't know how to feel about it because I look like a whole different person. Really, like, do I look like a whole different person? I don't know. You know? I think my husband is still trying to process who Juliana is. Like, I mean, where is your wife? Your wife is right here, darling. Hey, I'm so excited. I'm gonna put on my makeup and then I'll show you how everything comes together on me, okay? Okay. Excuse me. So this is how the lens is looking all together with the makeup. Like, I mean, ladies and gentlemen, I love my look. Excuse me. Of all the days you choose to talk to somebody, don't talk to me. Don't choose me. I miss. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for sticking with me today. I'm going to see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.